Hello students, today we are going to start our new topic of chapter number 3, that is Cartesian system. Students, in this topic we will concern about the plane. Now what is plane? A flat surface is called plane. Like its floor is a plane because it is a flat surface. Roof is a plane. Walls are planes. You have your copy, that is also plane. I have this board, it is also plane. So we will discuss about the plane. In this system, the plane is divided into 4 equal parts. Clear? The plane is divided into 4 equal parts, and if the plane is to divide into 4 equal parts, then we need 2 lines. One is in this way and second one is in this way. This line, these lines divide the plane in 4 equal parts. Clear? And this is called horizontal line. And we will say this horizontal line as x-axis. Clear? And this line is a vertical line, and this vertical line is called y-axis. Okay, students, now we do numberings. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. At this point where the 2 axes intersect each other is called the origin. This point is called origin, or we denote it by O. So here it is, this horizontal line is called x-axis, but you can see in the right part from 0 to x, or you can say here x. Since all the numbers are positive, so we will write here positive x-axis. Similarly, in the left side of 0, we will say negative x-axis because all the numbers are in negative. So negative x-axis. Sometimes we denote these as positive x-axis as x and negative x-axis as x dash. Clear? So we can write here OX. If we write OX is positive x-axis and OX dash is negative x-axis. Clear? But if I say x dash OX, this full length, that means x dash OX, this full length is called x-axis. Clear? So here you have to be very clear. OX is positive x-axis, OX dash is negative x-axis, and x dash OX is total x-axis. Similarly, we will numbering for y-axis. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And it is -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. From the upward direction, from 0 to upward, it is similarly positive y-axis and here it is negative y axis. We will denote this positive y axis as this y and negative y axis as y dash. So OY is called positive y axis, OY dash is called negative y axis, and y dash OY is called y axis. Clear, students? Students, sometimes we will use the word axis, AXES. Axis is the plural form of axis. Okay, so that means x axis and y axis together axis together called axis. Now students, this plane is divided by the two lines, horizontal line and vertical line, in 4 equal parts. So we will give some name of these 4 parts. Clear? So this part is called, since we have divided into parts, so we denote it by quadrants. Okay, this part is called first quadrant, this part is called second quadrant, this part is called third quadrant, and this part is called fourth quadrant. Clear? That means whenever we give the name of the quadrant, we will go anti-clockwise. Okay, students, one more thing, this arrangement is called Cartesian system. Sometimes we call it at Cartesian plane, we will call it as Cartesian plane. Sometimes we call it XY plane because this plane is divided by the axis. So we will say sometimes XY plane. Clear? And sometimes we will use coordinate plane, coordinate plane. So students, I think coordinate geometry, in coordinate geometry, Cartesian system is almost clear to you. Okay, now we will move to the next topic and then pause the video to be noted down